Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to tell you about my routine day on vacation. I am staying at a beautiful hotel by the sea. This is how I spend a perfect day alone, relaxing and enjoying the ocean. I usually wake up early, at 7 a.m. I don't use an alarm clock because the sound of the ocean wakes me up. I open my big window and smell the salty air. It is very quiet, and the world feels very peaceful in the morning. First, I put on my swimsuit and a light summer dress. I go down to the hotel restaurant for breakfast. I love breakfast. I eat fresh fruit, like sweet pineapple and yellow mango, and I drink a big cup of hot coffee. I also have some eggs and toast with butter. It gives me a lot of energy for the day. At 9 a.m., I walk to the beach. The sand is still cool, and the sun is not too hot yet. I find a nice place under a green palm tree. Then it is time for my favorite activity, reading. I always bring a good book on vacation. I read for 1 hour while I listen to the waves. Splash, splash. It is very relaxing for my mind, and I don't think about my work or my problems. At 10:30 a.m., the sun is higher in the sky. It is getting quite warm now. I put on my sunscreen to protect my skin. This is very important. Then I go for a swim. The water is clear and blue. I like to float on my back and look at the clouds. Sometimes I see small silver fish swimming near my feet. After my swim, I walk along the shoreline. I look for interesting seashells. I have a small collection of pink and white shells now. Walking on the wet sand is good exercise for my legs. At 1 p.m., I am hungry again. I go to a small cafe near the water for lunch. I usually order a fresh salad or a delicious fish sandwich. I sit outside and watch the boats on the horizon. The view is amazing. In the afternoon, around 3 p.m., the sun is very strong and the air is hot. I go back to my hotel room for a siesta. A siesta is a short nap in the afternoon. It is a very popular tradition in hot countries. I sleep for 30 minutes, and when I wake up, I feel refreshed and happy. At 4:30 p.m., I go to the hotel gym or the swimming pool. I like to move my body every day. If I am feeling a little bit tired, I just sit by the pool and listen to music with my headphones. When the clock shows 6:30 p.m., it is the most beautiful part of the day, the sunset. I walk back to the beach. The sky changes colors like a painting. It turns orange, then pink, and then deep purple. I take many photos with my camera. It is like a dream. For dinner, at 8 p.m., I go to a nice restaurant with live music. I eat slowly and enjoy the evening air. I like to write in my travel journal. I write about the things I saw, the food I ate, and how I feel. It is important to remember these happy moments forever. Finally, at 10 p.m., I am ready for bed. I have a warm shower, put on my pajamas, and lie on my big, soft bed. I feel very happy and very lucky. I fall asleep quickly because I had a busy and wonderful day. Friends, let's review the daily routine words from my story. Wake up. To stop sleeping and open your eyes in the morning. Sunscreen. A cream you put on your body to protect your skin from the sun. Siesta. A short sleep or rest in the afternoon when it is hot. Sunset. The time in the evening when the sun goes down and the sky turns colors. Journal. A notebook where you write your thoughts, feelings, and memories. Let's practice. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my routine. Traveling alone is very nice because you can do exactly what you want, when you want. You are the boss of your day. Friends, what is your favorite part of the day when you are on vacation? Do you like the busy mornings with breakfast and swimming? Or do you prefer the quiet evenings with the sunset and dinner? Do you prefer to stay active and go to the gym? Or do you prefer to sit and read a book all day long? Tell me in the comments. Writing in English is the best way to learn new words and practice your grammar. I read all your comments. If you liked my story about my routine day at the sea, please give this video a like and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English stories. We want to help you speak English with confidence and joy. Thank you for watching and for being a part of our community. Have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next lesson.